Hey guys, it is JOCARMEL and I am working on a Donna Jordan quilt top. I have never really liked the Jelly Roll Race quilt until I seen hers. I was like amazed, especially she did it in shoreline fabrics. So I am dedicating this video and this quilt top to her. And I want to thank Donna of Handmade by Ying because she was doing this so long on Fridays, like 3 weeks in a row on Fridays, and I will link her channel below. And they were making the last pattern that Donna Jordan had made. Well, I'm making my favorite pattern that Donna Jordan has made, and I think it's turning out fabulous. I am using Denim and Daisies by Joanna Figueroa of Fig Tree Quilt Company. I have a jelly roll, and let me show you my accents. Well, I have an extra one here. So I used her eyelet orange. I think this is a rust and a light blue. And this is a blue from Denim and Daisies. So I made 4 instead of 3 accent strips like she did. I tweaked it, I torqued it, and I used 4. And it's turning out fabulous, guys. I love it. It is 56 by 68, all right? So you actually, the last row, you have to maybe use a strip, an extra strip to make it to be 56, all right? But I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Working on the borders, and I am not sure what to do. I have many options because I could not decide. And my local quilt shop, Cotton Gin, has a sale because they're moving. So fabric is like 25% off a yard. So I'm like, okay, I can do what I want to do. And they just happen to have some Denim and Daisy. Okay, I brought you guys a little closer just to get a better idea. 3 options that I am going to choose from, all right? I think it's going to be the smaller inner border, maybe 2.5 inches unfinished, and then a 4-inch outer border. Either it's going to be the navy and orange, the navy and rust, or the navy and blue. And I will come back with the finished quilt top, okay? It's done, guys, and it turned out fabulous. I absolutely love how these colors are working together. They are very complementary, guys. I decided to go with the navy inner border and the orange outer border, and it looks fabulous, guys. It really plays off each other very well. I just love how it looks. And I just want to stop again and to thank Donna Jordan of Jordan Fabrics. I will be making this pattern again, okay? It is the Jelly Roll Race pattern, the Jelly Roll Race quilt by Donna Jordan. Information will be linked in the description below. I'm just so thankful for her and all she's done for the quilting world. I can't wait to get this quilted. Remember, my quilt shop had 25% off. So I got this wonderful backing. I got a little over 4 yards, and I think it will work. And that's another reason I did the blue and the orange. I think it will work fantastically, okay? Then, once I get it quilted, I'll choose of these 3 my binding. One of these 3 is the only ones I have enough for binding. So this is going to be it. This was a very easy quilt to make. However, you want to follow her instructions just like she says. Watch the video. That's how I did it, because if you don't do it her way, you can get bows in your strips, okay? And you want to go with the 3 accents. I did 4 and I ended up chopping some of them off. So do it the way Donna Jordan suggested it, okay? Thank you guys for watching. If you would, please like, comment, and subscribe. Please go to Jordan Fabrics and check out her videos. They are fantastic. Bye, guys.